I'm headed out for a little test drive. Did some work on my car today, my 1996 Bronco, and this is mostly a test drive to make sure I didn't goof anything up. It was more of an exploratory mission. I had the dash all pulled apart, and you can't see it, but the dash lights are working, which they always work. I just wanted to make sure I didn't break them. I was looking for some wiring issues down there and didn't find anything. So anyway, I just want to make sure that due to the fact that I had the whole instrument cluster out and the shifter selector gizmo was out of it, as well as the speedometer and all the other gauges were out, I wanted to make sure everything was going to look good, and I thought I'd take a drive around Mount Hood to do kind of a shakedown cruise. Plus I need to get some gas. I'm down to 3/4 of a tank, and I usually store this vehicle with full tank. It's kind of my go-to backup, you know, if bad stuff happens, snowstorms, whatever. What I should have done today was work on my snowplow. That might be next weekend. And the neighbors riding by, waving. And the other neighbor, this is my neighborhood, you can see they don't have a bear-proof trash can. I highly recommend a bear-proof trash can if you live in the neighborhood. So if you're watching this and you live next door, please get a bear-proof trash can. There, just had to come and hopefully shoot a little bit of river footage here. We're up Lolo Pass today, so let's check this out. Woo! I thought that guy was going to stop and take my tripod and my camera. Oh well. I did not expect to see anybody up here. So we're currently near Lolo Pass Road. We went up near Ramona Falls, whatever that cutoff is, that I'm on a side road. And it being a Tuesday, I didn't expect anybody up here. Well, and it's frankly really bad weather. So anyway, we'll get back to the live action here in a second. Anyway, I thought I'd go make a video in the shop today. I was tearing into the dash of this car, the Bronco, and it was frustrating. I didn't wind up shooting any video. I had the whole instrument gauge cluster out, doing a bunch of stuff. But I thought at the end of it, it's noon, 1 o'clock. How about you go shoot a little Mount Hood National Forest video, see if you can do it in an hour or two. And it's currently about 2:30, so I've been at this about an hour and a half, the video you're watching. And lo and behold, as cold and frustrated as I was in the shop, everything's a matter of perspective. And my perspective now on today has completely changed. I've got the beautiful fall colors in the background. I just got done cruising up Lolo Pass Road. We're at the summit of Lolo Pass right now. And I just, you know, nothing complicated. I didn't shoot anything on my cell phone. I didn't shoot anything on my other camera. Just grabbed the GoPro and a couple batteries and a couple of memory cards and thought I'd take a drive around. If you followed along until now, I appreciate you watching. And again, everything's a matter of perspective. I thought this day was kind of a bust, that I didn't really accomplish much, and I needed to take a test drive to test out what I did do, and it seems to be working fine, so we'll keep motoring on. But again, I appreciate you watching. I hope you're having a great day or a great week, and stick around for more weird wintertime content. By the way, Lolo Pass is going to be closed in like the next 30 days, so it's always fun to come up here in the late fall before they officially close the road. I'm kind of a rule follower dude, so I won't be doing any wheeling trips up here once they do close the road. And enjoy. No, it's not stellar, for sure. I'd be over-modulating right now.
Yeah, I was like, wait, look, maybe I got it called wrong. Anyway, oh, hey, good seeing you and everything. I was just looking up the new guy. To help get some years careful, just taking care of it. So, anyway, I don't have to touch me.
Yeah, I was just driving around Lolo Pass and monitoring Local 1 just to see if I heard any traffic.
Yep, that's one of my buddies. I love you, brother. Yeah, he still has a DVD player, so what are you gonna do? And he's still actively purchasing DVDs. Of course, I'm cruising around in a 1996 car, so I guess I don't have a lot of room to talk.